Chef Smith here with Heaven's Healthy Kitchen, and I'm here to talk about sweet potatoes. You guys see this? This is from the farmer's market. Now, sweet potatoes are a complex carb. What does that mean? Well, complex carb just means that it takes a slower time to digest in the body, which is great because this has natural sugars in it, and it's called complex just based on the sugar molecules are intertwined. And so what it does is that when it gets into your body, it takes a slow time to digest, but it gives your body energy. Instead of you getting this sugar rush that's not good and then you crash hard, this right here, this complex carb actually gives you more energy, and it gives you fiber, which is good for your body. So I am going to come back and teach you guys about a healthy baked sweet potato recipe. Some other benefits of the sweet potato is that it's an anti-inflammatory, which means it keeps you from having inflammation. It can help aid, I would say that, not that it will stop it. It can help aid with it can help aid with inflammation. Yes, I was getting tongue tied there. And it's also high in magnesium, beta carotene, and vitamin C. But I will be back with part 2 with this sweet potato. All right, I'm back. So first thing that you need to do with the sweet potato is poke it. Fork and just poke. Poke. Get in here a little bit closer. Poke. If you have anger issues, this right here is great therapy. Just poke. Poke all around it. And the purpose of this is that it allows it to bake, and it pulls out the sugars in it. You know, when you bake a sweet potato, it has that syrup, the little hard sticky stuff. Yeah, that comes out, and it also makes it very soft. Sweet potatoes are very hard, unlike the white potatoes, and so, but more nutritious, and me personally, it tastes better. So you poke it, you do all of that, then you put this is my own personal recipe. You put the sweet potato in the oven. Do not turn it on. Do not preheat. Put the baked potato in the oven. Make sure don't put it inside of anything. If anything, you can put aluminum foil under it. But what I do is I put it at the bottom of the stove. So when it drips, it's no big deal. Then once it is in the oven, what you need to do after you have everything in there, you have first poked it, you have put it in the oven, you have put your stuff under to catch it. If you do not do this step, your oven is going to stink, because every time you turn it on, it's just going to keep burning up that sweet potato syrup. Once you have done that, then turn it on. Turn it on to 425 degrees. Cook it for 45 minutes. Depending on the size though, if you have, this right here is a large sweet potato. So this one definitely 45, maybe to an hour. But I would say 45 because you're gonna let it stay in. You're going to let it stay in there longer than that. So put it in there. Put your foil or some pan, something to catch the syrup. 425 degrees. And put it on for, if you have a smaller potato, maybe half of this, maybe 30 to 35 minutes. Once that goes off, once the timer goes off, turn the oven off. Set the timer for 30 more minutes. And then after that, take it out and your sweet potatoes should be good to go. Step 3, I'm going to show you how I make mine. Everything will be in the description of this video. So, alright y'all, I will be back with the sweet potato. I'm back, y'all. Alright, so I am here with the sweet potato. It took about an hour and 15 minutes. And as you can see here, let you guys see that up close. It is nice, soft, juicy. Yeah, I get that. It's tender, delicious. Of course, right now it kind of looks ugly to me. So I am going to add some things, add some vegetables, and I'll be back. Alright y'all, I am back. Now that same sweet potato that was kind of ugly, it looks good now. So what do I have? Well, I have some cucumbers on the side, as you can see here. I have some Farmers Market tomatoes. These cucumbers are also Farmers Market. Now this sweet potato, I have put cheese on it, as you can see right there. There's some smoked provolone vegan cheese. It's by VioLife, just like smoked provolone cheese. I have also put spinach on it, homemade, sauteed, and on the vegetables, as you can look very close, you can see sprinkles. That is my homemade Cajun seasoning. So yeah, I bet you wanna eat it, don't you? So I'm gonna eat it for you. So let's taste it and see how does it taste. All right, which side? This side or this side? All right. So I'm gonna take a bite here. Let you guys know. Now you don't have to eat the spinach on top of it. This is just my own personal favorite. But yeah, let's take a bite. And let's see how this thing tastes. Let's see how this tastes. Okay. I want to get the cheese in there, and I want to get the butter. Oh, so what is on this? what else is on the baked sweet potato? Well, I put my homemade butter. I put some smoked paprika, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and that's about it. This one, I don't want it to be sweet, so this sweet potato is sweet on its own. So anyway, let's taste it and taste and see. All right, let me get in real close, y'all. This right here, this is good. Very good. Then I'm gonna pick up on these cucumbers. Y'all, amazing. And then this tomato. It's time to eat. I have to go because I'm hungry and I don't want to be teasing anymore. So, y'all, the recipe will be in the description, and I will give all the details of how I did it, what's in it. Now, I won't tell you how I made my butter. Sorry, but and as always, eat to live and live well. Chef Smith signing off.